I already create video about Brizy and AI, but I receive new email and they say Brizy AI 1.7 it's out and let's go to test it. Before I start with this testing, I just want to show you the pricing so that you can understand. If you want to buy this Brizy Cloud, the price is, if you want to buy for just one website with artificial intelligence builder included, it's 190 euros per year, and it's just for one website. The second is agency, and they give you 10 websites, but the price is $690 per year. Okay, they give you 10 workspaces, so this means that you can create 10 websites on every workspace, which is okay, it's good. And then you have white label. White label, it's good if you want to have white label platform and they give you 10 workspaces, 10 websites, but the artificial intelligence builder, it's white label. The pricing for me, it's really high, $160 per year. For me, it's really big amount. So before I start, I want to show you that you have WordPress Studio and it's completely free. You don't need to pay anything. I even create some videos about them, and you are able to create very fast, fully functional website with pages, blogs, whatever you want. There is no border that you can say, okay, I can create until here, then I have problems. And you have here comparison in between WordPress Studio and WordPress Kirby, Astro, Ghost. And you can see here that they give you everything and there is nothing that you need to pay like many other companies do. They say, okay, we will give you tool for free, but if you want this a little bit more, you need to pay $10, and if you want a little bit more about this, pay. No, this is completely free. And WordPress Studio, if you ask me, this is one of the way that you can choose to go, and trust me, you will not have any problem. And people who are behind it, in very short time, they created very serious tool for create your website with artificial intelligence. Then what I want to speak about is Builderius Builder. Unfortunately for all people, now selling is closed, but this give me something, and that is how serious team is behind Builderius Builder. Why? What they did, they open selling, they sell one amount of Builderius Builder and then they simply close the selling. Why? Because they simply decide to take all feedbacks, people creating video, how they use, what they like, what they don't like, what they want, what they don't want, and they taking all very serious. So if you are one of this person who already have Builderius Builder, I want to encourage you, whatever you think, simply write to them and explain what you think. It's not important if they will tell you, look, this is not for us, or they say great, we will see, or they will do. Important is that you give your feedback how they will be able to create better page builder. And this is one of the page builder that I really recommend. And when they open selling, don't wait, buy it, because I said many times before, in the beginning Builderus Builder was very cheap, and when they open second time selling, many people simply regret because they didn't buy it in the beginning. Don't make this mistake. When they open selling, buy it right away. This is my recommendation. And then you have a lots of different page builders. For example, you have Edge. Edge before have a lifetime deal, but after some time they decide that they need to cut this lifetime deal, and to be honest, they give huge amount of time to all people that they are able to buy this lifetime deal. Now it's over and you're able to buy page builder per year. So if you want to create something simple and you don't need to create, I don't know, 10 or 20 websites or something like this, you can simply buy this page builder for $100. If you need a more, something like agency, it's $200, or if you want all included, it's $300 per year. On the end, we are arriving on Brizy Builder. Brizy, even today, they have this lifetime deal. It's $600. So you buy it, you have it. I don't know if they will cancel this lifetime deal. Probably they will. But anyway, if you want to create one website, 3 or unlimited, you can see that the prices are not extremely high. So for one website, $80, 3 website, $150, and if you want unlimited, you need to pay $250. I will repeat again. Check WordPress Studio, and I guarantee you that you will see that WordPress Studio is very simple to install, to work with, and artificial intelligence work really fast and accurate with WordPress Studio. So I create some videos, you can watch them and you will see how fast I create fully functional website from installation to all pages, blog, everything really fast. And Builderus Builder, I need to say that it's really great page builder. When you work with it, for example, if you use Claude AI or whatever AI tool you use, it's simply fantastic. It will create whatever you say, and it will be created not like some HTML, CSS hidden somewhere and then you don't know where is what. No, it will be created and you will have everything in the elements, and after creation with AI you are able to work by yourself, which is super great. And you have other tools that I think they are good, and you can choose what is best for you. Let's go to the Brizy, and we will go right away, create new website. Of course, we want to create our website with artificial intelligence. Let's go to click generate because we want to create with artificial intelligence, and this is what you will get. And here you can put your prompt. Here you have, as you can see, if you want to, but this is not important. and here you have if you want to change language, and here under you have suggest prompt ideas for industries, and you can click here. As you can see, there is different kind of industries. For example, if you don't know how you write the prompt, they want to help you. You can click here, you can add your logo, images, files, and you can click here, search industries, that you don't need to click here. So this part is really good. What I will do, I will simply paste my prompt. Okay, let's go to make it like this, that we can see. I create the prompt. This prompt is not some professional prompt or something like this. I just create, let's say, the prompt that you have a website, that you are able to start with something, that you don't have empty space the front of you. I will not read, but as you can see, I told him what I want in short, so that artificial intelligence do not need to lose time and thinking. So I give him something simple for every page, that he know what I want, and I will simply click that he build the website. And let's go to see what he will create and how much time he need. This part here is great. You are able to add your business social account information to get better generation. You can add Google business profile, Facebook, Instagram, current website, but I will skip this step because I will not put anything. This is not the part what I want. Now, as you can see, I have home, about, service, blog, contact, but he offered me if I want something more, or for example, if I forget and I want some new page or one page more, I'm able to add this page, but I don't want. I will just click next step. Now you can decide what colors you want to use and typography. If you are not satisfied with this first color what he offering to you, click here and you have some colors that you are able to choose. Let's go to put this, and let's go to see here. We can put this and click build my website. We have here sign that he start to create our website, and we will see first how much time he need, and the most important thing is what he will create or what I will get from this artificial intelligence. It's interesting, he telling what he do, choosing font and colors, adding titles and descriptions, all these kind of things, but he repeat this, so it's just something that you can see that he creating the website, that you have, I don't know, some blank or something and you don't know what's going on, and we will see what he will create. Okay, should be finished soon. Okay, I will leave it and I will turn back when it will finish, and we will see how much time he needs for complete the website creation. Okay, I turn back. Website is not finished, but what I see, he don't move this anymore. He stopped on choosing fonts and colors. I hope that he didn't freeze or something, but we will see. I will leave some time and we will see if he will create something or not. Okay. Okay, I'm back. I still see the same thing. Here it say it's finished. So now I'm not sure if he stuck, froze or whatever, or he's still creating a blog or something. I don't know, but we will wait to see a little bit more. So I will back and leave it that we see if he is working or he froze or something like that. Okay, I will not lose time. I will try to refresh and try again. Okay, what I will do, I will log out and I will go to Brizy and I will log in. So we can see that he didn't create anything. Okay, let's go start again. Generate with AI. Let's go put the same, let's go to put the same prompt and let's go to build your website. Skip this step. Home, about, service, blog, contact, team, testimonials, pricing. Let's go to next step. I will just change this and let's go to try again. So first time he didn't do anything. Let's go to try again. If he will be able to create anything. If no, we will try in different way. Try from scratch and use AI from directly from page builder. Okay, I'm back. That we see if we will have the same situation like before. He stopped in the same way, choosing fonts and colors. I think this will not gonna work, but I will wait a little bit. I think it's froze again, so I think this not gonna work because when I go to dashboard there is nothing, it's empty. So I look Wi-Fi, there is nothing, so I don't know if he's working something by AI by himself without internet checking or whatever, or it's frozen, it's simply stuck. Okay, let's go like this. Create a website from scratch and we will see if he's able to create. Okay, let's go turn the AI. Let's go to paste the same prompt. Let's go to put and see if he will create something like this. I don't know, it's look like that he simply, I don't know, maybe the prompt is not how he, okay, here it is. I have built complete multi-page website and with all request section, including home, about, service, blog, and contact, reflecting your professional brand style. Okay, let's go to start and we will publish page. And we will, okay, let's go to see what we get. Okay, this is the website. Let's go to see how it look like. This is really ugly. I mean, to be honest, it looked like AI website. So basically, he didn't create pages. What he did, he create one page website, which I didn't want. I want that he create multi-page website. Let's go to the blog. So blog is not working. He didn't create anything. Okay, first what I need to say, he created on the language creation. This is good. What is good that when you use Brizy AI, you don't have like tokens or 100 points and then he have some calculation how you will use this AI. You can use AI how much you want, but to be honest, precision and the look, it's really bad, and I will never put something alive like this. It's really not good. So first, direct this Brizy AI 1.7. It's not working, but what I will do, let's go back to the dashboard and let's go to create a website, generate with AI. So let's go to development and design. Okay, let's skip this step. So select pages from, so these are the pages. I want blog, I don't want portfolio. Let's go to the next step. I will leave as is. And let's go to see if he will create website like this. Maybe you need to use some simple prompt without writing what you want. So you just need to write, I want website for web design, modern, beautiful, blah blah blah, but this is not what we want, what I want. If I want to create a website, I want to work like I can work, for example, with WordPress Studio, that I can explain every part of the website, what I want, how I want, or if I work with Builderius, the same, that with this page builder where you can explain exactly what and where you want to have something. And now we will see if he will froze again or we will have the website. So I didn't do anything. I just changed font family, choosing fonts and colors. It's stuck on the same thing where he stuck before. I don't know, maybe you need to wait 1 hour. I don't know. Or maybe you need to wait, I don't know how much time, but if you need to wait 10-15 minutes. They need to explain to you when you create a website, and if you create website with blog, you need to understand that creation can be from 10 to 15 minutes. Then that you can simply know. But like this, I don't know if this is working, not working. It's really bad, really bad. I don't know what to do now. Let's go to refresh. Okay, let's go to try again. Put web design, build. I will not touch anything this time. I will not change anything. I will leave as is. Okay, let's go to next step, build my website. Let's go to see if he will create now the website. I didn't change anything. I use prompt what they offer, so everything is from them, from prompt, colors, fonts, everything is what they gave me. Let's see if he will create it. Maybe blog is a problem. I don't know, but this is really not good. However you look, all this look nice, but I don't care how it look like. I care what I will get. Okay, let's go to see what we will get from this. And I don't understand, if I choose pages, why I get one page website. So nothing again, it's stuck on the same place. Okay, we will wait. The video was 2 hours long, but I decided to simply cut everything off and tell you simply that Brizy AI, it's not working. I try 4 different browsers. I try to work on Windows. I try to work on Mac, and it's not working. It's only work if you open Brizy Builder and then you open AI and you give some prompt, but result, what you will get, it's not even close to what you really want. He create what he want. If you tell him that he create 3 pages, he will not create 3 pages. He will create 1 page with 3 sections, and he will create navigation. When you click on it, he will just show you the sections. And if you ask him to create the blog, he will not create the blog. Even if you write prompt that he create all of this, to be honest, maybe it's a free tool. This will be nice, but for pay this, it's not worth at all. And I do not understand how people are able to say, I can work with Brizy AI. I try all, it's not working. It's stuck. Only way that it's work, if you open Brizy page builder and the prompts, complicated prompts or simple prompts, it give you the same result. So that you can compare this to any other tool, it's simply impossible. Why? Because other tools, when you say that you need this, this and this, he will create the closer he is possible to create what you want. In Brizy, he will create what this AI think that it need to be, which is totally opposite from what you really want. If someone asks me if I need to give, I don't know, from 1 to 10, if it's free tool, I will give 2 or maybe 3, and for paid tool, I will give 0. So that is for now about Brizy AI 1.7. Cheers.